My hair right now, oh my gosh, it feels so freaking good. It it feels luxurious. Like this mask, while it's in my hair, it feels amazing. Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Ivana Shimon, and I'm back here with a video review on some products that I did on my hair. As you can see, my hair is extremely moisturized and it feels lovely and luxurious. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this video so that you guys can see the products that I use, and you can hear my opinion of what I think of them. All right, let's check it out. So right now I am going to go ahead and do a deep conditioner. So the next product I'm going to use from the Alikay Naturals line is the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. It contains quality ingredients. So let's see. Some of the featured ingredients are honey, babasu oil, and sage. So directions: apply to wet hair, part hair into 2 to 4 sections, finger comb hair to remove tangles, apply product to hair, focusing on ends. Massage conditioner into hair evenly from root to tip. Cover with a plastic conditioning cap and let product sit for 30 minutes without heat. Or for maximum moisturizing benefits, sit under a hooded dryer or a hair steamer for 20 minutes. Then rinse and style as usual. This can be used as a pre-wash hair mask or a deep conditioning treatment. So I'm going to do the deep conditioning treatment, and I am not going to sit under a hooded dryer or use a hair steamer. Honey and sage. It actually smells really, really good. Now let's see this consistency. Ooh. My hair right now, oh my gosh, it feels so freaking good. It it feels luxurious. Like this mask. So y'all see the difference, right? Product, no product. Product, no product. Oh, my hair feels so freaking bomb. Mm-hmm. 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 Right. So I have just got done washing that deep conditioner out of my hair, and I left it in my hair overnight. I tend to not really like listen to the instructions, but especially when it comes to a deep conditioner, I'll just leave it in for however long I want. And honestly, my hair feels extremely moisturized. Like, do y'all see this definition in my curls? Like, and it still smells really good. It feels extremely soft. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna continue to use that deep conditioner. Definitely. So now I am actually going to apply this leave-in conditioner and see what this is all about. It's the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, Alikay Naturals. For washing hair, spray on damp hair. Saturate each strand of hair from root to tip. Style as usual. Also can be used as a daily moisturizing spray by applying to dry hair and styling as usual. I think I'm just gonna start spraying and then go section by section. I keep feeling my hair and just feeling how moisturized it is. It feels amazing. You guys definitely need to go ahead and try that deep conditioner. You don't have to leave it on overnight. Use your own discretion. You know your hair best. You know what your hair needs. So yeah, just use your own discretion. I haven't shown you, but this is basically what the spray looks like. My hair feels so moisturized. Like, I'm going to continue to say that as I'm doing this video, because literally my hair feels extremely moisturized and soft. Is apply their essential hair growth oil. If I can get this bad boy off of here. Y'all see that? So the directions say shake bottle well, which I just did. Apply the oil directly to the scalp using the applicator tip. Massage oil into scalp well to stimulate your scalp and warm the oil. Apply oil every other night. Note, the brown speckles in the bottom is horsetail powder, which is why you need to shake this. I feel like wow is like an understatement at this point. Wow. This is the detangler I used. Knots Be Gone hair detangler. And the next product that I used was the Honey and Sage deep conditioning product, and I love this. My hair smells amazing. It feels amazing. My hair just feels luxurious. The products feel luxurious in my hands. Like, the consistency is great. What else can I say? Yeah, I think if you use it for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, even using, you know, a hooded dryer or whatever, I think you're still gonna get the results that you want, and your hair will definitely feel moisturized because the product itself is just that luxurious. And yes, it's wonderful. Um, so the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, I love this. This is something I'll probably use every day just to refresh my curls. Again, luxurious product. The consistency is not thick. It's not exactly all that watery, but that's not a bad thing. I love this. Gonna use this again. Um, the hair growth oil, I like this. I'm gonna have to keep using it to see if it does anything, you know, to my hair, you know, to make it grow more or longer, whatever. But I definitely love the smell of the peppermint that's in it. My scalp loves it because it feels rather refreshed. If you like the way that my hair turned out, which it is extremely moisturized, whew, y'all go and cop these products. You don't have to use all of them or in the way that I did, but at least try it out. I think the price that you pay is definitely worth it. It does come off as more of like on the high end, but I feel like it's worth it. For me, it's worth it because my hair has never felt this good or this moisturized. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, go ahead and check them out if you haven't already. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you have your notifications turned on so you can catch my next video. All right, bye.